Alright sa inyo, nagbabalik na naman po tayo sa panibagong video na tinatawag na, wait lang guys, ang Redfield Elementary School. And syempre guys, alam ko naman sa inyo na ayaw nyo mag-school. Alam ko naman yan guys, ako rin. May joke lang yun ha. So guys, maglalaro po tayo nito. Kung bago ka lang dito, hit the like button dyan and subscribe na lang kayo kung bago ka lang dito. So naglalag tayo guys, alam ko naman naglalag tayo. Syempre, ibaba ang manual. So yan guys, papasok tayo sa ating first day of school. Oy, si Naruto Uzumaki. Kagubon technique. So, eto yung ating room. English. Yung English ngayon guys. English. Wow! Meron di... Ay, si Ella. Si Ella. Hi, Ella. Hello. Oy, si teacher. Si teacher guys. Oh my god. Si teacher. Oh my god, si teacher guys. Okay, so let's go outside here. Okay, marami dito mga classroom. So, iba't iba. Guys, alam ko guys, ang math pinakamahirap. And, yeah, alam ko naman din yun guys. Okay, I feel you guys. So, let's explore this school. Okay. Okay, mga restroom. May mga, dito. May mga design. So, ano naman meron sa taas guys? Okay, ano kaya meron sa taas? Let's see in the second floor. So, ano kaya meron dito? Okay, ano kaya meron dito guys? Okay, ano yung may something dito? Okay, I think I found the field in there. Ito yung ano nila, covered. Hindi, wala pa silang covered court, no? So, let's see the chat. Okay. No, you're not my sweetie. I'm sorry. Are you okay? Leave me alone. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Ba't sila nag-aaway? Oh my god, my friend. Ba't nga ba my friend, no? Ano ba yan? Ano pala guys? Hyrus. Kasi Hyrus. Come, Abe. Let's go to the mat. Oh my god, guys. Mat. Sasapin na kayo, guys. Mat. Yun, mat teacher. Nice. Yes, sir. My mat. Sir. Ano ba yan guys? Anong yes sir? Ano yes sir? Ano ba yan guys? Ano ba yan? But yes sir. Okay. Okay. Try the... Okay. Guys, ayoko. Naglalag ako mga guys. Naglalag ako. Yan. Let's sit there. Oh my god, what a beautiful in school. Oh my god. Can someone read this? Oh no. Guys, emergency. Ano ba yan guys? Meron mga ano nangyari sa school namin guys? Oh my god. Guys, girls, are you okay guys? Girls, are you okay? Everyone is good. Remain calm. Is everyone good? Yes sir. Woo! That's so close. That's so close. Oh my god, my friend. Ano nga ba, my friend? Palagi na lang, my friend, guys. Oh my god. What? Never mind, guys. So, sorry, Selimash, sa pagsabi ko na oh my god. I mean, ano pala ng my friend, okay? Namali lang tayo. Dapat Hyrus. Okay, Hyrus. Oh my god, Hyrus. Yun, ganun. Okay, so we are almost there. I mean, we almost in emergency. Oh my god, Hyrus. Muntik na yun ah. Hindi ko na alam guys. Bala kayo dyan. Hindi ko alam. Okay. Let's go here. Guys, we need more. Lol, there's a fire. I leave fire. I leave fires. Oh. Oh. Oh, so you like fires though. Kaya pala ano ka pala sobrang hot mo naman eh. Uy, sobrang hot. Oh. Oh, you're so hot though. You're hot. You're hot though. You're hot though. Because you love fires. What? Right? Right. Yo, what? Oh, yeah. I mean, you're... Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Bye. Kala mo talaga yung ano eh, ha? Yung pinaka suspicious, ha? Ano ba yan, boss? Sobra ka naman overthinking, boss. Ano yun? Suspicious yun, ha? Sobrang suspicious. Hi. 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 Hi, teacher. Hi. I'm new student. I am new student here. You have a art to go. You have art. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Asan yung art, guys? Asan yung art? Oh my god. Oh my god, Kyairus. Nasaan yung art dito, guys? Oh my god. Where's the art? Where's the art? Oh my god. Where is the art? Oh my gulay. Where is the... Nasaan yung ano? Nasaan na yung computer lab? So, saan yun? Art. Oh, hi classmate. Yo. Yo, classmate. Yo, classmates. Yo, classmates. Yo, what's up? What's up? Oh my god. Oh my guys. Oh my god, naglalag siya, guys. Oh my god, guys, naglalag siya, naglalag. Oh, naglalag. Sobrang lag. Ang lag. Oh, naglalag siya, guys. Naglalag. Naglalag, guys, naglalag. Are you lagging? Lag. Are you lag? Are you lag? Are you lag? Are you lagging? Hey. Are you lagging? Hey. Are you lagging? Are you lagging? Are you lagging? Cause, hey, are you lagging? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you lagging or not? Yes or no? Wala ka na, tinatanong ka tayo, wala naman sumagot, diba guys? Ang sama mo naman, tinatanong ka na mabuti, pero di ka naman sumasagot sa akin. I have to get, ano daw? Akala ko na eh. Ano meron dito? Wow! Touchscreen ata to isa. Touchscreen. Oh my god, my friend. Ano? Oh my god. Bakit palagi, my friend? Sabi ko, hi, Rose. Ano ba yan? Kasi kakapanood ko to ng Selimash eh. Kaya na ako eh. So, sorry Selimash kung sa pagsabi ko na my friend. Okay? Sorry doon. Okay? Sorry. I'm very sorry about that. Dapat talaga tatawag ko sa kanila. Dapat hi Rose, hindi my friend. Oh my god. Ano ba yan? So ano to guys? Ano to? What does internet help us to do? Fix computer. B and B. B. What does FS inter? Bruh, same question lang yun eh. Bruh, same question lang naman yun guys. Ba't palagi umuulit yun ah? Same question lang naman yun eh. So I think I'm gonna end the video guys. Sobrang lag ko na guys. Okay, sorry guys. Wala pa tayong computer or laptop kasi nga budget lang tayo ngayon. So, check out my setup sa aking 2026 na setup dyan sa screen nyo. Dyan. So yun lang guys, and thank you and goodbye. See ya to the next one. Bye bye.